was lost in the dark with my lonely broken heart. Then you came along, you took me home and made me your own. You could be, yes, a different me, back on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again. You made me live again.
Alright. Ay, tapos na pala. Paano yun? Thank you, Embangers! You must love me. You must love me. Try natin pa. Thank you sa sampang tamsak. Thank you, Embangers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Masakit na kamay ko. Alright.
Where do we go from here? Is it a word we intended to do? We had it all, we believed in me, I believed in you. Certain things disappear. What do we do for our dream to survive? How do we keep all our passions alive as we used to do? I wish you do. Deep in my heart, I'm concealing things I'm longing to say. Scared to confess what I'm feeling, frightened you'll sleep away. You must love me. You must love me.
Yo. Hindi ko ayaw man ng touch ng cellphone. Ayaw niya ko. Videos. Okay, let me place this one muna. Muna ka go. Ano ba yun? Shout out everyone. Maraming salamat. Yan, maraming salamat sa inyo naman dyan.
Why are you at my side? How can I be any use to now? Give me a chance and I'll let you see nothing has changed.
Tinula.
Deep in my heart, I'm concealing all things I'm longing to say. Scared to confess what I'm feeling, frightened you'll sleep away. You must love me. You must love me. You must love me.
Alam bangers, sabi ni Emily, Mystery Tours. Ayan. Naka 96. Spectacular singer.